Sweet. So let me see if I have, I don't know if I have time to do one more problem, but maybe I'll try. This would be number 6 here. Maybe I'll just verify this answer and I won't do the side work here. But it says determine whether or not each metal, if coated into iron, would prevent the corrosion of iron. So again, I believe I've done this question before, or I've seen this as well. Cu. So if coated in iron, which is Fe, would it prevent the corrosion of iron? So if I coat magnesium onto iron, would it corrode? If I coat chromium into iron, would it corrode? And would I coat copper onto iron, would it corrode? Basically, you're looking at this point, when you're talking about corrosion, you're talking about this topic of oxidations, right? So basically what we have to do is we have to actually look at our oxidation potential tables and figure out if it has a greater oxidation potential than iron here. So let me see here. The metals that can be used as a sacrificial electrode to prevent the corrosion of iron are magnesium and chromium, right? So magnesium and chromium would prevent the corrosion of iron, but if coated, explanation corrosion is just simply oxidation. That's good. Basically, it's saying here, any metal that has a higher tendency to be oxidized than iron can be used as a sacrificial coating. So if you did look at our oxidation potential tables, you would see that magnesium and chromium have a higher tendency. So it's higher up, which means it will be oxidized first than iron, right? Whereas copper here is below the table, below iron in the oxidation potentials. Therefore, it will not protect would not protect against the corrosion of iron, because iron will corrode first before copper corrodes here. So this here solution is correct. Again, I'm looking for the value of standard electrode potentials. So let me just let me Google that for you. Values of standard reduction potentials. Again, on a test given situation, you're given all of these topics, right? So don't worry about trying to memorize these guys here. Like, you're given all of these guys here. This is the standard reduction potentials. Again, you have iron. You have iron here. Fe here is iron, so negative 0.44. Again, so I'm looking at magnesium and chromium, right? So magnesium would be, again, it would be above. Let's see if I find magnesium here. I don't think magnesium is here actually, but is chromium here? Chromium is right below it. So negative 0.44, which means chromium will get oxidized first before iron does. But however, copper is above it, right? So copper is above it in terms of the standard reduction potential, right? So therefore, if copper is above it, then iron is going to get oxidized first before copper does, right? Basically, that's the order here. I don't think magnesium is on this, but I'm pretty sure the magnesium, the standard reduction potential is lower than iron here. So it would be able to protect it against corrosion. Therefore, this solution here is correct. Solution here is correct. And I wish that you included the reduction potential tables to help compare the three metals together to figure out which metal oxidizes / corrodes. Okay, so that's going to be my video for today. Again, thank you so much for watching. Again, I hope I answered your question, Damon, Zachary. Thank you for tuning in again. Again, what I'm going to do is, again, my name is Joey. I'm going to be basically streaming math from Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays for you to follow along, and chemistries on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you're free at that time, definitely take a look on the YouTube channel. Again, it's youtube.com/OneClass. Again, my name is Joey. I hope you learned something through this 1 hour of me kind of verifying solutions. Yeah, that's basically about it. Again, thank you so much for watching. Important things, again, is to stay safe, stay healthy, and again, as always, thank you for watching.